In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, select Files. Then look for it here by tapping on one of those apps, selecting Audio at the top or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to find it in one of those sources. Wherever you decided, click on your file to attach it. If you want to record it and add it, click on this icon at the bottom right corner instead. Use microphone 1 to record. Restart by tapping on this button on the left and attach your recording by clicking on Attach on the right. If you want to add a video on, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Record your video here. Switch your camera. And when you finish it, it will be automatically added. To add already recorded one, scroll down, look for it here. Click on it to add it and select Done at the bottom right corner. If you still can't find it, scroll all the way down and tap on Folders. Then look for your video, click on it and tap at the bottom right corner twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!